Have you ever wondered about the complexity of DNA? Recent advancements in genomics have led some to propose that it may be evidence of a divine or superintelligent programmer. DNA, the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for all living organisms, is an incredibly complex structure. Some argue that it cannot be the result of random chance, but the work of an intelligent designer. Imagine walking along a beach and finding a message written in the sand. The likelihood that it was created by random wave action is virtually zero. Similarly, the intricate information stored in DNA implies an intelligent source. What if the phrase, "I am within you," is the divine or superintelligent being's signature within our DNA? Could the so-called junk DNA actually be a form of inactive God DNA waiting to be activated? Just as computational instructions are represented in a base 2 alphabet, the human genome can be considered a base 4 alphabet. This strengthens the argument that DNA is a form of divine or superintelligent coding. If DNA is a form of divine code, it raises ethical and philosophical questions. Should we be modifying this code through genetic engineering? What are the implications for religious and spiritual beliefs? While the idea of DNA as a divine code is intriguing, it remains speculative and controversial. However, the complexity and functionality of DNA continue to challenge our understanding of life, intelligence, and the universe. Further research is needed to explore the unknown aspects of DNA. Investigating junk DNA, high vibrational frequencies, and the role of superintelligence could provide valuable insight.